everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup, skincare and sometimes hair on this channel. Today I am going to review two products. First, this Swiss Beauty brush shade, which is a very much new launch, and then this Nicka K O Honey palette. So this is the eye look I have made using this brush set and this palette. So let's see how I have created this look, and then I am going to give you my final review. At first, I am applying my foundation using the flat top Kabuki brush. I used Wet n Wild foundation today. The brush is quite soft and blends foundation really well and does not leave any streak marks. None of the brushes shredded when I washed them later. This is the concealer brush, but I am not a fan of this kind of flat concealer brushes and hence will use my regular concealer brush. But you can use this for spot concealing. Next, I am blending my cream contour using the foundation brush, and the leftover foundation from it will help in seamless blending. Next comes the brow brush. I am brushing my brow hairs down with the spoolie end and shaping my brows using the angle brush on the other end. The angled brush is not that thin as it should be, but it does the work as you can see. And after filling my brows, I am brushing them in place once again. Next, from Nicka K O Honey palette, I am using a mustard yellow on my inner corner using the pencil brush and blending it using the flat concealer brush. But I didn't like the idea and went back to the pencil brush once again. Next, I am using a brighter or lighter shade of yellow to brighten up my inner corner and the lid area. And this will be a really good base for the golden eyeshadows, and the shadows will pop up really quick. Then applying the middle gold shade using my pinky on my inner corner and blending it towards the lid and brow bone. Next, applying the gold shimmer in just the same way. I am using the wet shader brush to intensify the shimmer. Next, I am curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara to finish off the look. While applying mascara, please do not forget your lower lashes, and later I applied some nude eye pencil on my lower waterline. This is my final look using Nicka K O Honey palette and Swiss Beauty brush shade. So guys, I think that this palette is very much versatile. It has 9 colors. You can see 9 colors. Of them, 5 are shimmery or satin colors and rest are matte. So I like this. This is kind of an editorial look, but you can use this brown on your crease and golden colors and yellow colors on your lid to create a normal, more wearable kind of a look. But I think this is a really good party makeup look. They don't have a lot of fallout. I think this like pastel palettes are of better quality than the other palettes which cost 300 rupees on Nykaa. So next comes this brush set. This brush set has 5 brushes, and the packaging of the brushes is really good. You can see how beautiful is the packaging. So I like this. Okay, let me take out the brushes at first. Yeah, these brushes are definitely dirty because I have used them today. So let me talk about my most favorite brushes from this set. That is this powder brush. This is of really good quality and I really liked it. And this foundation brush that is very soft and blends everything very quickly. So I definitely like this. Uh, then this eyeshadow brush, which is just a shadow brush. I like this because all shadow brushes are quite similar, I think. So this is my fourth choice. Then comes this. This is called. They have said that this is a blender brush, but I don't think so. This will not even blend a little bit of your eyeshadow. This is more of like pencil brush. You can see how small it is. This is more of a pencil brush kind of, and I quite like it as a pencil brush, but if they call it a blender brush, no baby, I don't like it. And then the last comes this concealer brush, which is almost of no use. I tried to blend the eyeshadows with this, but it didn't work. So yeah, I don't like this kind of concealer brush. I don't use them. But if you use this kind of concealer brush to stripe those concealers or spot concealing, this is okay for that. Other than that, this brush set is a good brush set for beginners. If you have a full collection of brushes already, I don't think you will need this kind of brush sets anymore. So for beginners, and if you don't have brushes, this is a good choice. And these brushes are really affordable. I bought them for 664 I guess, and this palette I bought for 350. So yeah, both sides I have a win-win situation. I like it. I like the eyeshadow quality. I am becoming a big fan of Nicka K eyeshadows, and the brushes are of really good quality. Especially these two brushes have won my heart already. So this is my review about the Swiss Beauty brushes and this eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.